video. Now today's video, guys, I'm going to be doing a really easy classic cups and balls trick, and it's really easy for you to learn. It takes like no sleight of skill whatsoever, and it gets great reactions. So I'll do the trick first. So we have 3 balls. I'll place them down, and then we have 3 cups. Place those down too. Take 1 ball, we'll put it on top of this cup. Take the cups, place them on top. Bam, penetrates right through. I'll do the same thing. Place that cup on top. Now what I'll do is I'll put another ball on top. Take the 2 cups. Bam, penetrates right through. Last time. I'll put the last ball on top. And penetrates right through. So let's get on to the tutorial. So here's the tutorial for the trick. The secret to the trick is that you have 1 extra ball, and it takes only 1 sleight of hand skill that you'll need to make this trick work. That's all you need. So what you'll do is, you can have a magic wand as well, is you can use any cups, guarantee any cups. Just don't have clear cups, because then you can see it through. Just have some solid cups, plastic cups, and they can be any size, and this trick will work in any way. Usually go to any magic store, any store, and get a magic set. They'll usually have the cups and balls tricks, and you'll need 4 sponge balls, whatever. And here's the setup. You'll put 1 ball, you take 1 cup, then you put the other cup on top of it, then put the ball in, and take the other cup. Then take 3 balls, and then put it in. Now you're set up. And you can have a wand to make it just look special or something like that. And then you tip the cup over, and you say we have 3 balls. Now straighten up them. And then here's where the skill comes in. You have to do it every time you do the trick. What you want to do is you want to smoothly put down the cups. Now, if you do it too slow, here's what happens. So I had the ball on the bottom, as you guys can see. If you do it too slow, it goes right down. But you just want to do it nice and smooth so they think there's no cup under it. I mean, no ball under it. Otherwise, it's going to look suspicious. But if you, otherwise, yeah, the secret's going to be gone. But if you do it too fast, that's going to look suspicious. Just do it nice and smoothly. Just do it nice and smoothly, and it will look really good, and it will also work. It's just so easy, nice and smooth. Never expect it. Another skill when you do this is when you do the 3rd cup and the 1st cup, show it towards the audience to see that there's no extra ball. But when you do the 2nd cup, put it down towards you. Just do it nice and smooth towards you. And then with the 3rd cup, you can just show it as well. Just go down. But that would take too much time, so I just recommend, I'll do it one more time. Just do it nice and smooth like this. And they'll never expect that the ball's there. Now what you do is you put the ball on top, so you have 1 ball on the top and 1 ball on the bottom. Then you show, don't say anything, you show the empty cups and put it on top, so they'll think that there's no extra ball. Then, penetrates right through. Now what you have is a ball right here in the middle. And the trick will work exactly the same. It's just when you put the ball on, the next ball on top, you'll have 2 balls under, so put the next ball on top, and then do the same thing. Penetrates right through. Same thing with the last one. So now what you have is 3 balls under it. And like I said, every time just do it nice and smooth. Don't do it too fast. It'll work. Trust me, it takes no sleight of skill. If you do it nice and smoothly, not too slow, just right, it literally doesn't even show the ball falling. Just nice and smooth. Then you put the last ball on top. You show the cups. Sorry. So they think there's no extra ball. Put it on top. Penetrates right through. Never show the other ball. Ever. So if you try doing it again, you put no balls on top. You just go like this. I mean, that would be a pretty cool ending, but I just wouldn't do that because it would be revealing the other ball. So really, really easy trick that you can learn. There's tons of other tricks you can learn over YouTube, so it's just really, really simple thing. I use this with a magic set that I got from a store. They have the cups and balls, they have rope tricks, all kinds of stuff. What did you guys think about my last trick, the Joker Potion? Really, really cool trick as well. That is actually a pretty hard trick that I had to learn. So yeah, really, really easy trick, classic, one of the first magic tricks ever made. What do you guys think? And peace.